What if you could move through your day easier just by strengthening your core? Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS, and welcome to our 10-day Chair Yoga Challenge. If you're new here, this is a simple, safe program designed for those with stiff joints, limited mobility, or anyone who wants to create more ease in their body, all from the comfort of your chair. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this energizing routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into dynamic arm raises. With an inhale, sweep your arms forward and up as high as comfortable. And on your exhale, lower your arms, sweeping back. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, increasing circulation through your upper body while stretching through your arms and shoulder joints. Adding on, inhale, reach your arms overhead as you lift through one leg. Exhale, lower your arms and leg, repeating on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving through your own range of motion, keeping your core engaged with your navel back towards your spine, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, reach through one arm as you lift through the opposite leg. Continue alternating right and left, sitting tall, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center. Adding on, reach through one arm as you extend through the opposite leg. Continue flowing from right to left, moving through your own range of motion, feeling a gentle stretch through your hamstrings and calf muscles. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, adding a toe touch. Inhale, arms reach overhead. Exhale, reach opposite hand to leg. Continue alternating right and left, making sure to exhale on the exertion, squeezing and contracting through your legs and abs. Release and return to center, moving into a side reach variation. Begin to alternate, reaching one leg out to the side as you reach overhead, lengthening through your side body. Continue alternating right and left, moving through your own range of motion, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine, using your core to stabilize, working through the front, back, and sides of core while activating your obliques. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Inhale, extend and reach through your right leg and arm. Exhale, draw elbow to knee, squeezing and contracting through your side body, working through your obliques. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving at your own pace. Release, and let's go ahead and repeat on the opposite side. Clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Inhale, reach and extend through your left leg and arm. Exhale, draw elbow to knee, working through your obliques. Release and go ahead and step your feet back to center, moving into a gentle seated twist. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. Continue here or cross your right leg over your left, gently pressing your left arm into your right leg, using it as added leverage, aiding your left side body in coming around to the right, deepening this twist. Slowly unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. Continue here or cross your left leg over your right, gently pressing your right arm into your left leg, using it as added leverage. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper. Release and return to center, moving into a gentle cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart, gently arching your spine, lightly lifting your gaze upward, and with each exhale, gently round your spine, drawing your navel back and your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement, allowing your breath to guide your pace, creating more space and ease through your neck, shoulders, spine, chest, and abdomen. Release and return to center, closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. Take a moment to notice how your body feels. Maybe you're sitting a little taller, feeling more energized, refreshed, and ready for your day. If you're loving this challenge and want the full program organized and easy to follow, head on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, where you can find this series plus hundreds of more sessions for every level. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.